What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here with you today with another video. Look, in this video, I simply want to talk about how I create YouTube videos and some of the equipment that I use to create my YouTube video. I had someone ask me about it, so I kind of just wanted to shoot this quick video to kind of show you how I do that and some of the tools and everything that I use. And the things that I use are not expensive. You can find them on Amazon. It's where I got all of my stuff from. One of the tools that I use, actually, I'm using a Logitech camera right now that I've had for years. It's a nice little camera. I think a Logitech 9000, I believe, camera hooked up to my computer. So that's what I use as far as, for my screen recording. And I will also show you the software that I use as well. But I really wanted to show you just some of the things, that I have now. One of the things that you can use, and you have that accessible already, and you may be watching it on your cell phone. You can just simply use your cell phone to, uh, capture yourself and do a YouTube video, upload it to YouTube from your cell phone or from your computer, however you want to do it. Okay, and along with my cell phone, I have this lapel mic, that I can pin on my shirt, and I use this. I got this from Amazon. Didn't cost a lot. I think maybe $12, $13, whatever. It works pretty good. But I also got this extension cord. Got this extension cord to go along with it. So if I want to set my, camera up on my tripod and just stand back at a distance, I can have this cord and use this. So I picked this up at Amazon also, and it comes with a little remote control, and everything. That works. Now, this is one of the tripods that I have. I don't know the name of it, don't see a name, but it works great. You can extend it and use it and adjust it however you want to use it. This is one that I use, and this is another one that I have, and it has extendable legs that I can actually, set up on the floor. I got this also from Amazon. It's a Photo Pro. I don't know if you can see the name, but it's a Photo Pro. This is one that I use a lot. And I also have a selfie stick. And I picked this little thing up at Five Below for $5. Okay. So, and it has a cord, you can hook into your phone and everything. So if you want to use that, okay. So those are the tools that I have, and I actually purchased me a couple of whiteboards that I'm going to put up on that wall back there. Eventually, if my wife let me, she won't let me put them up right now. I think I'm going to have to buy me a tripod for those as well, at least for one of them anyway. What I want to do now is show you the actual software that I use to screen record with. And there's two that I can use, but I use one mainly. So what I want to do is show you that. So let's go to that video, to my screen right now, and I'll show you how that works. So here we are back at the computer. Now what I just want to show you before we go to the software that I actually use to create my video, just want to show you can go to Amazon and type in smartphone tripod, and you'll find a whole list of tripods here. You can sort them and things like that. So you can find those are the the extendable ones that you can get, and also you can get the short tabletop ones such as this, and they come in different styles. This here as well, and with a little remote control and things like that. Okay, and as far as the microphone, just type in smartphone lapel microphone, and you'll find those, and you can get them for some reasonable prices there. Okay, so as far as the software that I use Screencast-O-Matic to do screen recording. Okay, this is one of the software that I use, but this is the main one that I use, Screencast-O-Matic, and you can get this for $18 a year, or you can simply use the free features, which come with 15 minutes of recording, and you can save your file and upload. But it has a watermark on it, which is still not bad. I mean, you can still use that, but I go with the pro feature is what I use, and so I get all of the tools, you know, that I need to create my YouTube videos. Okay, so this is one of the software that I use. I will leave a link in the description for it if you want to get it. And also another one that I use is called Loom, which is a free recording Google Chrome extension that you would have up here. Now, what I like about this one is that you can actually do screen recording, screen share with it. I can't do it now because I'm using my camera to actually do this. So but it's a great software, and what I love about this is that you can embed your videos into your emails and they go out just right. This is one of the videos that I send out to some of my people who join me in the Conversion Pros, and you can use it for any business or whatever. I use it in a welcome email. Just say I'm in my email account now, and if I wanted to compose a message, and I have canned messages saved on my computer or in my Google account. So I click compose and I go here to canned responses and I put that in, and there's that video. And it's just welcoming people, you know, introducing myself. It's giving people an opportunity to see who I am through my email. So you can incorporate this into your business as well. Okay, so I wanted to show you that. Okay, and it has a little extension down here where you can send a video with Loom, you know, so you'll have that in there as well, and as well as up here in the corner. So that's another piece of software that I use. Now there are some other softwares out there that you can use as well, but I don't use them. These are the two that I use, but I use this one the most. Okay, so when it comes to actually creating a YouTube video, there are some things that, you know, they'll tell you certain things, but not everything. So let's just go to YouTube and I'll go to, let's just say my channel. And let's just pick this video. I'll take this video here for instance. Okay, let me pause it. As you see this video here on top, I'm actually using Screencast-O-Matic, okay, to do this. But I also use another a camera that I have, and I mentioned that earlier in the video. The Logitech 9000. Okay, so I do this with Screencast. Now, when you create your videos, okay, make sure that your keyword is in the title, okay, of your video. Okay, make sure that you use your keyword, in your description. Okay, and also when you get ready to, just say if I was going to edit this video, you want to make sure that you have your tags, that matches your keyword, and some closely related keywords as well. Okay, so you want to do those things. Make sure you have this set up. I use a software in YouTube called TubeBuddy, that shows metrics on different people's videos, including my own video. So you can do that as well. I have it connected to Google Plus and Twitter. So when I create a video, it automatically goes to those particular platforms. It goes to a blogger blog. Okay, so I have it automatically going out to those. It gives me a couple of backlinks to my video as well. Okay, so you can do that in creating your videos. Now, a lot of people, you don't want to be on camera. You're scared. But I just want to tell you, just go ahead on and do it. You know, start your YouTube channel and actually get going. Uh, let me see. Let's go to the last. I just want to show you this. Some of the first videos that I ever did was here. And y'all, that was back in 2009. And both of them, one was December 2009, one was June 2009, and this one here was like 2014. But understand, these are just PowerPoint presentations that I took some articles and made a PowerPoint presentation, and I just simply read them as I strolled through them. So that was my first experience starting out with, YouTube videos. And these are some of my beginning videos, you know, and things. So just do it. I mean, that's all I can tell you is really just start doing it. And the more you do it, the more you would get used to it. You know, I can look at my, let's see. Let's go back. It's back. Let's go to the dashboard. Maybe I can get there quicker that way. And okay, so you can go to your channel. You see I'm in good standings. You can see your analytics and all of that type of stuff. So that's what you want to do. You want to just, create your video, make sure you're using it in the title. Your title has your keyword in it. Make sure your description has your keyword in it. Make sure you put your keywords in your tag section. Now, there are some other things you can do to increase your rankings on YouTube video. That's not what this video is about. It's just about how to create YouTube video. Now, speaking on how to create YouTube videos, here's something a lot of people seem to struggle with, that they don't know what to talk about. And talk about what you learned. If you learned something, if you are in whatever business you're in, do a review of that business, do a screenshot just going through it, and just kind of talk about what it is. Your first video, make your first video a why video, why you joined whatever company that you're in. It doesn't have to be long, a short video of why you joined it. Just say, for instance, I say why I joined the Conversion Pro, and my video would be titled Why I Joined the Conversion Pro, and my description would be about the Conversion Pro. The very first line in the description would be why I joined the Conversion Pro with my link out beside it. My tags would be about the Conversion Pro, and then I would simply say something like this, hi, my name is Richard Harrison, or what's up, beautiful people? My name is Richard Harrison. I'm here with you another video today, or my first video, and I just want to talk to you about why I joined the Conversion Pro. Look, I joined the Conversion Pro because I was tired of paying for an autoresponder over here, paying for a webinar tool over there, paying for text message system here, when I can have everything under one roof. Not only that, but I'm able to purchase leads within the Conversion Pro, that to get them to look at my business opportunity. Also, I like the Conversion Pro. I joined the Conversion Pro simply because of the support that we have in the support group on Facebook. David Dubs and the crew on there are real helpful. Everybody pitches in and help one another. And I like the Conversion Pro simply because it's, easy to build landing pages and capture pages. And it is not just for one business, but it's for any business that I decide to promote, that I'm promoting now or promote down the road. And so that's why I joined the Conversion Pros. If you want to join the Conversion Pros, there's a link in the description. Click the link in the description. Go ahead and like this video, share this video, and you know the story and things like that. And that's it. Just do a quick video and let it be done. Okay. So like I said, those are the tools that I use, that I showed you earlier. And that what I'm doing here is actually on my webcam. and the video webcam through Screencast-O-Matic, but the video in the beginning is done just with my webcam, and then I'm merging the two together inside of here. Okay, Windows Movie Maker, that's another tool that I use, is Windows Movie Maker to edit my videos or add some, text to it or whatever I wanted to do. And you can do all of that inside of Screencast-O-Matic as well. You have a lot of tools inside of Screencast-O-Matic that you can use to edit your videos, take things out, add in overlays and everything like that. And so I highly suggest, if you want to look to go, until you can get some money. If you want Camtasia, then that's fine too. But like I said, Screencast-O-Matic is right for me. So those are the tools that I use. Simply my cell phone. I have my extension. This is one of the bags, Pro Pop Voice. Okay. Also, I have my headphones here. Okay, Logitech headphones if I want to use my headphone, my selfie stick, one tripod, and my other tripod. Okay, so those are the tools that I use. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I can think of, and that's about it for this video. I know it's not a teaching video or whatever like that, but those are the things that I use. And there are some other, for, like I said, ranking your videos. There's a software that I use for that. And there are some other things you can do to rank your videos in YouTube and Google. As a matter of fact, let's just see. I want to see. See the conversion pros. You stroll down, there's a video, one of my videos. There's another video, free trial. There's another video, TCP versus Online Sale Pro, another video. Okay, so coupon code, I'm not sure. There's another video, review. There's another video. Okay. I don't think I did the power lead system, but there's another video, with Builder All. Okay, so you don't need to go out and purchase software to get backlinks. There are just certain things you need to do in order to get your videos ranked on YouTube and in Google. And like I said, that's another video, so we'll talk about that later. And I hope this video was beneficial to you. Give me a thumbs up, like, share the video with somebody who may be looking to see what they need for creating videos. I want to thank all of my subscribers. Thank all of y'all who have just subscribed. I hope you're getting value out of the video. This is my video for today. So y'all have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Be blessed, and I will see you later. If you have any questions, leave it in the description. Thank you. Leave it in comments below. Sorry about that. Have a good day.